Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of putting together your own cookbook, whether it's a family collection or a professional project, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through making a beautiful cookbook in Canva using a quick and easy template. By the end, you'll have a polished cookbook design ready to download, share, or even print. And best of all, you don't need any previous design experience. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open Canva and navigate to the Create section. This is your launchpad for any new project. In the search bar, just type Cookbook. Canva has a wealth of ready-made cookbook templates waiting for you. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see everything from minimal and modern to more colorful and playful styles. The great part here is you're not starting from a blank slate, which can be overwhelming. Instead, you're getting a strong foundation to build your cookbook on. Now, once you've found a design that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. Don't overthink this step. Remember, you can easily tweak almost every aspect of the template, so the most important thing is to choose a structure or vibe you like. If a certain layout seems to fit the type of recipes you'll be sharing, that's a good sign you're on the right track. At this point, you've got two main pathways. One, you could build your cookbook entirely from scratch. If you're feeling creative, go for it. But today, we'll focus on speeding up the process by selecting a template, which still gives you full control over the final look. Click on a template and it will open up as a new project in your Canva workspace. Here where the real fun starts: customizing. This is the heart of the process where you make the design your own. Take a moment to go through each page of the template. Maybe the cover isn't quite what you envisioned. That's totally fine. You can click on any image, drag it to a new spot, or swap it for a photo of your signature dish or even a family gathering. If you have your own food photography, upload those images into Canva and just drop them straight onto the template. Don't worry if things feel a little out of place at first. With Canva's drag and drop interface, everything is super flexible. If a text box isn't quite in the right spot, simply click and move it or adjust the font to better match your personality. As you work page by page, personalize the template with your unique recipes, ingredients, and any notes or fun anecdotes you want to include. Think about your audience. Would they appreciate some cooking tips or a backstory for each recipe? Go ahead and sprinkle those in. The goal is to make your cookbook not just a collection of recipes, but a reflection of you. Once you're happy with your design, take your time here, maybe even step back and look at it fresh in a few minutes. It's time to save and share your masterpiece. Head up to the Share button in the top right corner of Canva. From here, select Download. You can pick your preferred file type like PDF for printing or digital sharing. Canva does a great job keeping things high quality, so don't worry, your finished cookbook will look fantastic. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created your very own cookbook using Canva's quick templates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or you want to share your cookbook ideas, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy cooking.